Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. And welcome to Fall Vlog 2 of the Don't Wake the Dragon series. Y'all can probably hear my nasaliness. Yeah, I'm fighting some kind of cold, and I actually started this yesterday, but I didn't have much of a voice. I wanted to get out here and get what I could done resolving the back end of this dragon. And I don't have much energy to get to do much today, but I do want to take advantage of the sun, and I just want to at least get on some strips just to lock the body parts in place. There's like one final piece that needs to go on. I couldn't get in, but I can't get that piece on until I resolve some of the other areas. So, and I'm covered in resin. Like, all my shirts now are trash with resin. I probably look like hell today. Whatevs. I'm gonna try my best without trying to burn out as well. Hello, handsome boy. Come here. What are you doing? Hi, baby. I know. So I'm just gonna throw on a couple strips to lock the pieces in place so that tomorrow or the next day, whatever I get back out here, hopefully I'll be able to then snip off the zip ties and go ahead and put in that final piece, because right now the one piece that I need to get is tucked under the top of the door, and that piece, the zip ties are in the way, so you'll see what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna get on with getting on and stop talking. Take two. I am still not 100%. I was hacking up a lung several days ago. I couldn't, as far as I got was just removing the zip ties and the braces, and that was it. And then it's been a while, and I'm still not 100%. It rained the other day, early in the morning, and these are not fully watertight, not the new panels that I put on, so I need to get in here. Thankfully, I had run out of fiberglass. The new fiberglass came while I was pretty much down for the count for a week. These spots are only on here temporarily, and I don't want to sand down this area only to have to plow through these lines. So I'm gonna go inside this thing and fill in the holes and sand down some of the spots, and then put the fiberglass on the inside. So I got some like rough bits in here that I don't want to trap. So I'm just gonna lightly sand these areas and then fill in these gappy holes, that I have. And then over here, of course, there's the gap here. I'm gonna fill all that in with some filler, mix up some stuff. Peanut butter, there we go. There's the word. You can tell I'm not 100%. I'm having brain fog. Okay, so that's the plan. I'm gonna stop thinking. I'm gonna put on some music and get to work, up in here. Couldn't even see that, huh? Yeah, rough stuff here on holes. So I worked pretty late last night, and the moment I went into the house, cleaned up, it started to rain. Thankfully, I had not put anything on the outside. It was all on the inside because I wanted to reinforce that back. It's a new day and my clock is running out as far as the weather that, is going to be coming upon us. I'm going to get to business. I'm going to grind this down and try and get a full coat. It's not too bad because I just need to reinforce the areas of the connection for this piece and then any of the new raw panels. There's not too much of it on the outside. So yeah, I'm going to get busy. Y'all, it is insanely early. I get up somewhere around 5 o'clock-ish. I think it's a skunk, sprayed really close to the house and it filled up the entire house and the babies are nuts, and little Miss Peanut, who never comes out, came dashing out to the front trying to hunt around for whatever the heck it was. That is not the reason why I am up at the butt crack of dawn. No, you see, the reason why I am up at the butt crack is because I did some research and it said that if you put a finish on if you're putting layers of resin onto your piece and you're getting that weird holy spiderwebby thing that's happening, that it is because the resin is curing too fast at a higher heat rate than normal. The chemical reaction that happens is making it cure at a higher heat than the resin likes, and then it causes this separation thing. So it isn't the addition of the mica. I tested it out last night because I waited for the sun to kind of go down a little bit, and then I went to one of the sides where it was shaded and tried to apply some there. I also used the slower set and tested that out, and it seems to be better. It seems to have coated, I didn't put enough mica in that area, but my point is, I knew it was going to be overcast until about 11 o'clock today, and since I have to go to work at 10:30 anyway, I made sure I got up at this insanely early hour so that I could have a cup of coffee and then go out there and try and get the final green coat of mica. I'm gonna hope it's final, fingers crossed, the coating before the holy fabric goes on to the body of the dragon. I suspect this is probably what the issue is, because the temperature has been in the 70s and 80s, but it's the direct sunlight that is increasing the heat, increasing the chemical reaction when it happens. Because when I did the head inside the garage, it was the same temperature, but I didn't have direct sunlight on it. Mosquitoes, damn mosquitoes. I don't know what to do about these mosquitoes. I don't like spraying my garden because it's organic. I do have an organic spray to spray the pathways, but I don't want to kill off my bees and my good bugs. But the mosquitoes are insanely unruly right now. It's the season. It's just been really muggy and gross. So anyhow, I'm gonna finish my coffee, enjoy this fresh air because my house now smells like skunk, and then I'm gonna go outside and start coating away the body of this dragon. Alright y'all, here is the update. I shifted my efforts to trying to deal with making sure that the body got complete, but at least all of the black is good and ready to go on the neck. The last bit of this is to get green mica on this, and then once that is all set, it is time to roll with the holy fabric because the body is ready to go. I just put in the last coatings, what I couldn't get done the other day before I had to kick off to work. The body is ready to go, getting the holy fabric. However, there's a couple things that I need to take care of. I want to walk around the back so that you can see where the door opening is going to be. Here's the door opening. This is the bit that all got put in new during this vlog, and there will be another 12 inches in space here because when you go to the base, you'll be actually stepping up into the base. And let's just take a swing around here. And there is that. So, we got the body, and the head, and the base, and a couple more things, and we're ready to roll. Alright y'all, I'm going to call this vlog here. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Stick around to watch this project all unfold, and remember, don't wake the dragon.